Hello friends, today I am going to tell you about one website where you can create your own videos. So come on, let's start. First we will open our Google application and type there panzoid.com and search it. So after searching, click on Panzoid and click, and for example I want to make a clip, so I will click on clip maker and then select one template. I will select this template. Now it will be loading. Then after it gets loading, let's make it set. So it will take bit time of 20 to 30 seconds. And then click on this cuboidal box and click on the text and type there instead of your whatever you want. For example, I type here techno land and font I select Boston traffic, and same we will do in another text type TECHNOLAND Technoland and Boston traffic. After that, click on the pyramids. I will choose your darkness scene and then click on this and select the resolution. I will select 720 and then I will select the effect, then animation, perspective will be 3D, and then we will select the audio file, but I don't have here any audio file, so I will not select it, but it still opens. Then click on the download button. Mode will be fast render, webm, and start render. It will take a bit time. It will show you the time whatever is needed, and it will take a bit time, so you need to wait. I will not make it fast forward because I want to show you that it is not fake and I have not created it from first time showing you. So I will show it you from the starting till ending. So I will not fast forward it. So friends, till it gets render, you just go and click the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the daily notifications. And also hit the like button if you like our video. As you can see, it is almost half. And yes friends, after rendering you can also edit your video. If you don't want, then you can also download the video. So please wait. It is a bit boring task, but still we need to wait for it. and it depends upon the RAM of your phone. If your phone is having 2 GB RAM, it can take 15 minutes also. If your phone is having 8 GB RAM or 6 GB RAM, then it will be fast. And if your phone is having 16 GB RAM, 12 GB RAM or 18 GB RAM, then also it will work. And friends, till you get enter, we will talk about this Penciled website. So on this website you can also make your own background and also edit your video. It is very useful website. Unfortunately, it does not have an application. It is having one application, but it sometimes lags. So we need a proper application. And so I recommend you that you use the website, not the application, because website is more useful than application. So here it is showing seconds, means it will get now ready. So now soon we will download a video and play it. So friends, as you can see, it has got rendered. Now we will download our video. Now this type of page will load and you will get here down one notification of downloading. It has been downloaded. Now we will open it. So friends, have you seen how simple it is and how much beautiful intro it was? So please like, share and subscribe.